Suéltalo, págalo, págalo. No, pero porque la lanzaste tan duro para arriba.
Hi Florida Outdoor Adventures, hope you're well. Keep adventuring.
Okay, I think I already showed you my room yesterday. Let's take a quick look at Darby's. He got the honeymoon suite. Darby?
Hey,
are you naked? Oh.
No.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is nice.
Hey.
I like the bed,
Yeah. The bathroom.
Okay. Very nice. This is much nicer than my room.
Yeah, I know that.
That's what happens when he makes the reservations. He got the right room. I'm here with Freddy, the owner of Gulas, el dueño
De Gulas.
del hostal, ¿no? ¿Hostal o
Hostal, restaurante, Gulas.
Bueno, aquí la pasamos muy bien anoche y gracias por tenernos acá.
De nada.
We're in Valle Anton, and if you're in the area, very affordable, very nice hostel right here. Breakfast included. Thanks to Darby. And Freddie is going to bring us something refreshing like a smoothie.
Yeah,
Or
banana smoothie.
banana smoothie.
De la de botella, no es de lata. De la buena.
Cheers. Con esto se me van a aprender las ideas. Next stop is a place Freddie recommended. It's a square tree forest. I really can't even explain what it is because it's incredible. I saw pictures on Google and it's a perfectly square tree trunk. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Thank you, Freddie, for recommending the place.
Thank you so much.
Dale.
Ay, ay, ay. Come on.
Palm Savers, the Seal Saver Palm Savers. Yeah. Darby, what's the name of the place we're going to now, with the square trees? Is it a special name, the forest?
El parque de los árboles cuadrados.
The park of the square trees. Square Tree Park,
Yeah.
I guess.
Anton Valley.
Anton Valley. Let's go. All right, here's what they were setting up last night. The barbecue festival. Let's go look real quick. Yeah, they're just setting up now. It's pretty early in the morning. They got the coals heating up. We're on our way to the square tree forest. Hopefully it's here. But look at this tree that we found. Darby, what is this?
Tapara.
Tapara? You can eat it or no?
Yes, but the outside is a little armor. It's very, very hard.
Oh yeah. You can see how hard it is.
The Indian use this armor like
A bowl.
wood. Yeah.
What's the name of that bird?
Quetzal.
Quetzal.
Yeah, it's an exotic bird.
Bird watching.
Yeah. I need a beer.
I need a baboa.
I need the swimming pool of the next hotel. If you're long-time subscribers, you'll notice that usually there's a swimming pool involved in almost every video, or maybe a beach. Definitely a balboa. Okay, we've hiked about 4 miles into the dense jungle. It's very hot, and I haven't seen a square tree yet. Darby's gonna be in big trouble. Big trouble. Maybe it should be one at a time.
Sé que no se nota, pero el puente se mueve mucho.
Yeah. I don't think even Bear Grylls would cross this bridge. Whoa, it's slippery too. Okay, I think we're close. We see a sign that says square trees. Do not mark the trees. Aquí está, a poco lado. Okay. Oh yeah, this is one. This is a square tree right here. I'm standing right next to it. I was standing right in front of it and I didn't notice. Yeah, you can see how perfectly square it is right here, and then okay, it was worth it. The 15-mile hike. Oh, there's another one. Let's go see it. Yep. Yeah, totally worth the hike. If you come to Valle Anton and you want to see a square tree, put a comment down below and I'll tell you how to get here more or less if I remember.
Can you hear the quetzal bird?
Nope.
The sound is like the little drop on the water.
I don't know if the GoPro's gonna capture that sound. So if you decide to come to see the square trees, you have to be in shape like I am and Darby. I'm joking. I'm so hot right now and tired. Suéltalo, apágalo, apágalo. ¿Se rompió?
No, pero ¿por qué la lanzaste tan duro para arriba?
Porque me equivoqué, bro.
Ah, good.
Cuidado que no te cortes bien, ¿eh?
No, yo...
¿Dónde está? Se fue para arriba, ¿verdad?
Sí.
I don't know where. Ahí lo veo, sí. Está totalmente arriba.